Hi, my name is Brian Stoker, and in this video I'm going to explain why email autoresponders are the #1 secret to successful marketing on the internet. If you're new to online marketing and don't know what an email autoresponder is, I know how you feel. Internet marketing is a simple concept with 1,000 tools, techniques, and concepts all hiding under the surface. I remember when I first got started in online marketing, I had no idea where to start. It's hard to tell what's hype and what's solid quality information, and the best tools and techniques change at least monthly. However, one online marketing tool has remained the single most important tool, critical to successful online business: the email autoresponder. An autoresponder is simply software that lets you write a sequence of emails in advance, which are automatically sent to new customers when they complete an online form. And autoresponders are the #1 secret to successful online marketing. The autoresponder is absolutely crucial to your business for one simple reason. It's the single best method of keeping in constant contact with your customers and potential customers. Nothing else on the internet today even comes close. Perhaps you've heard the mantra, "the money's in the list." Everyone says this because if you maintain a huge customer list, you can send a special offer or announcement to your customer list and immediately make a bunch of money. So here's my point. Autoresponders are the best way to maintain your customer list. When you want to contact everyone on your list, just send a simple email to your autoresponder. Imagine sending one email to 10,000, 100,000, or even 1,000,000 customers at the push of a button. If you sent a $27 offer to 100,000 customers and the typical 1% buy, you'll make $27,000 in the time it takes to write one email. It's been proven time and time again that you need to communicate with potential new customers 7 times on average before they'll do business with you. So all you have to do is generate a sequence of at least 7 interesting, friendly, and informative emails to remind potential customers that you exist. Of course, 7 emails is the minimum. You can write one for every day of the year if you want, although it's generally better to spread your messages out so you don't bug your prospects to death. Constant contact only means often enough so they'll remember you, not so often you tick them off. Of course, there are lots of things you can do with autoresponders besides sending sales messages. You can send them a mini course, use them to deliver a free gift for joining your list, announce special offers, wish customers a happy holiday, tell them about freebies or events that might interest them, train them on products or services that they have already purchased, ask their opinion on something, or just say hi. Your imagination is really the only limit. So how do you pick the best autoresponder for you and your business? Like anything else, there are a lot of providers out there, and there are a bunch of important features to consider before you select one. And it's important to choose your autoresponder service carefully, because once you pick one, you're going to want to stick with it. Bouncing from one email autoresponder provider to another is not a popular activity, because it can absolutely devastate your online business. To understand why switching autoresponders can be devastating to your online business, you first need to understand the different features, which are all explained in detail on my website. So stop by and watch my free video at www.autopilot101.com/autoresponder. I've analyzed all the most popular autoresponders, including autoresponder software, free services, and paid services, and for a number of reasons I consider one autoresponder to be the absolute best service hands down. The primary reason is this particular service offers unlimited emails, unlimited campaigns, and most importantly, unlimited subscribers or customers per campaign, all for a small fixed monthly price. Most services charge more as your subscriber list grows. And if you stop by my website, I'll even show you how to get this one for free. So stop by autopilot101.com/autoresponder today. Just enter autopilot101.com/autoresponder in your web browser and click enter, and I'll see you there.